They're famous for their architecture, their road systems, and their communications. But there's another side of them, and that's their religion, their God-fearing nation.
He gets the white peat, dips it in nitroglycerine, and then wraps it in paper. Dynamite.
Intertwined knot is one of the most famous symbols that you'll see throughout the chateau. But what's really interesting here is that it should have H for Henry and the intertwined C's for Catherine.
Just imagine you're out in the farm doing your day-to-day duties and you stumble across something that you weren't expecting. You have a peek through and you actually see these clay structures staring back at you. Imagine the feeling that these farmers must have had as they stumbled across one of the most significant sites in Chinese history. When you look closer, you realise they're actually made of rocks piled on top of one another. She was definitely a woman of means. She had gold earrings as well as a pouch that contained a small mirror meticulously decorated with blue beads.